best actors come from a theatre background, and I would love for I've also from theatre background, but backstage. So I used to manage costumes and in Prithvi Theatre when I was much younger. The discipline that theatre gives you, especially when you see actors who don't remember lines and who can't, and then you see somebody who has a theatre background, and there's a world, of difference.
मैं अपनी फिल्म वाइसरॉयज हाउस की आज रिलीज हुई है यूके में, उसे प्रमोट करने के लिए गई थी एंड मुझे नहीं पता था कि फेसबुक हेडक्वार्टर्स में आज तक कोई हिंदुस्तान से नहीं गया. सो बहुत मज़ा आया. दे वर वेरी स्वीट, दे वर लवली, वेरी क्यूट ऑफिस. And yeah, I had a lot of fun.
Just come here to enjoy this evening, and I want to congratulate Mukesh Habra and the entire team and everyone who is associated with this beautiful event. And I think it's about time we needed something like this in Mumbai. And I didn't have this when I was growing up, when I was younger. So just want to congratulate everyone. Thank you for having me. Lots of love.
I think it's lovely because there are so many people who come and watch you here. Also, I think as an experience, I feel the more you keep doing, the more you face audience. I think the better you sort of get. I didn't get a chance to do theatre. I think I never took that route, or I never realized that I could do it. But I felt that my audition dete bhi I felt that I was getting better. So I think it's a great platform because you can showcase your talent, you can show what you have. It's such a great platform. There's normal Janta watching you. There are also a lot of directors and all who come and watch this festival. So yeah, it's an amazing opportunity. And there's Mukesh, who's here, who's making all this happen. So yeah, you never know, you might get cast.
I think stage performance से काफ़ी confidence बढ़ता है as an actor. I used to do stage, मैं डांस करती थी स्टेज पर, एक्टिंग नहीं करी है, बट एक ऑडियंस के सामने परफॉर्म करने का और काफ़ी हेल्प मिलता है क्योंकि सेट पे भी काफ़ी सारे लोग होते, सिर्फ एक कैमरा नहीं होता. तो आई थिंक काफ़ी हेल्प करता है एक एक्टर को स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करके देखने के लिए. बट ये जो मैंने अभी प्ले देखा उसमें सब बहुत ही अच्छे थे.
I always enjoy this. Last year I was there to watch. It's a great initiative for all directors, actors, any kind of technician who are part of this film. So it's fun.
I think it's a matter of great pride that Mukesh is hosting Khidkiya, Mukesh Habra casting company. Theatre is the platform from which I made my career. All my 15 films, most of the actors have been from theatre. So we need to encourage theatre so that our films flourish.